Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Math Club of 6th grade. Let's learn more about operations using decimal numbers. We are going to solve the exercises on page number 38. You must read carefully before work. Pose a problem. The table shows the average height in inches for a girl and a boy at age of 8, 10, 12, and 14 years. To find the average growth per year for girls from age 8 to age 12, Emma knew she had to find the amount of growth between age 12 and age 8. Then divide the number by the numbers of years between age 8 and age 12. Emma used this expression. 8 years average height is 50 and 75. 12 years average height is 60 and 50. Write the expression using the order of operation. Write the expression 60 because 60 is greater than 50. You cannot subtract 60 to 50. You must write the greatest number before, and the greatest number is 60. 60.50 minus 50.75. When we have the answer of this subtraction, we are going to divide this answer by the number 4. Why 4? Because 4 are the numbers of 8 between 8 and 12. Perform operation in the parentheses. Now we have the answer that 60.50 minus 50.75 is 9.75. Then we are going to divide it by 4. Now here, can you subtract 5 to 0? No, you cannot subtract 5 to 0. So what you have to do, we have to regroup. We are going to regroup. Regroup the number 5, the number 0 with the number 5. So this 0 is not 0 anymore. Now the number 0 has the value of 10 and the number 5 has the value of 4. And we are going to subtract 10 minus 5, it is equal 5. 4 minus 7, can you subtract 7 to 4? No, you cannot subtract 7 to 4. So this 4 is not 4 anymore. Now this 4 will be 14. The number 4 will be 14. And this 0 will regroup to the number 4. Now the number 4 will be 14. The number 4 will be 14. And 14 minus 7, it is equal 7. Now, I have to write the period here. Don't forget this. Write the period. Can you subtract 0 to 0? Yes, but don't forget that this 0 now has the value of 9 because before was 10, then the number 10 borrow 1 tens to the number 4. So this number now is 9. 9 minus 0, it is equal 9. And this 6 now is 5. And 5 minus 5 is equal 5 minus 5, it is equal 0. So this is now the answer. Okay, let's continue. In the next page, we are going to divide the answer 9.75 by the number 4. 9.75 is the inches that you grow in 4 years. Now, you want to know how many inches do you grow year by year. So, we are going to divide first. Here I have the number 4. Here I have the number 9. This is one digit. Here I'm going to take one digit too. Now, 9 is greater than 4. I can divide 9 by 4. Yes, I can. I have to look for a number in the multiplication factor of 4 that it is equal 9. No number multiplied by 4 will be 9, but the nearest number to 9 is the number 8. So I'm going to divide 9 divide by 2 by 4 equal 2. Now don't forget that you have to subtract. We are going to subtract. 9 minus 8, 1. And you have to take down the number 7. 7. And you are going to look for a number that multiplies by 4 is equal 17, because this is my new number that we are going to divide. Don't forget, you have to write the period here, because the number 2 is the number that divides the whole number. The whole number is 9. The other numbers are decimals. Now, a number that multiply by 2 is equal 17. Non-number. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 4, 16. 4 times 5, 20. 20 is greater than 70. So the nearest number to the number 70 is the number 16. 4 times 4 equal 16. Equal 16. Now I have to subtract. I'm going to subtract 17 minus 16. 7 minus 6, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, now I have to take down the number 5. A number that multiplies by 4 is equal 15. Non-number. The nearest number is the number 3. The nearest number is the number 3. 4 times 3, it is 12. Now I'm going to subtract. 15 minus 12, it is 3. You cannot divide 3 by 4. So I'm going to write here the number. I'm going to write here the number . Okay, now I don't have any number to take down here, so I'm going to add a 0 and I'm going to take down the number 0. A number that multiplies by 4 that is equal to 40, non-number, but the nearest number is the number 7. Is the number 7. 4 times 7, 28. 30 minus 28, it is 2. I'm going to add a 0. I'm going to add another 0 here and take down a 0 here. A number that multiplies by 4 is equal to any is the number 5. 5 times 4 equal 20. And 20 minus 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. So I have here my division. And my answer is 2 period 4,375. Now you are going to solve this problem in your notebook. Write the problem in your notebook. It's not in the book. You have to write it in your notebook and then solve this problem following the steps that we just do right now, and complete the page number 38.